My name is Peter Liwanda. I'm a coordinator at Chinwe Residence Trust. Yes, the advent of the COVID-19 pandemic in January last year brought in a lot of challenges in as far as residents' access to information is concerned. Before the advent of the pandemic, Chinwe Residence Trust used to hold public meetings, community dialogue meetings with policymakers, and also focus group discussions within the communities to share information with residents, as well as having platforms where policymakers and residents go to interact. So there's information that is important, and also that the residents need. Information related to the number of vaccination centers within the community, the efficacy of the vaccines that we are using as a nation, and also how safe the vaccines are. This is information that the residents really require so that they can make informed decisions. However, we've been using social media to relay some of the information to residents on platforms such as Facebook and also WhatsApp. But there are only challenges that not all community members have access to such platforms. It's either they might not have gadgets that are compatible with such platforms. Also, there's the issue of expensive data and also connectivity problems. I said before, there's a lot of information that residents need, especially from the local authority and other local service providers. As we approach the budget making processes of for 2022 municipality budget, there is a lot of information within council, information that has to do with how they've utilized the 2020 budget and also the priorities that are being set for 2022. This is also information that need to reach the residents, and these platforms are not adequate to address. So as a way forward, there are ways that we can mitigate these challenges that are related to residents' access to information. The government has a role to play. It can also reduce taxes or rebates for those dealers who are bringing in gadgets, IT gadgets, so that probably a lot of community members will be able to access them, and also that will improve their access to information. At the same time, the legislator, the parliamentarians should be able also to come up with ways or with laws that can govern fake news that is circulating on social media and also impacting negatively on the uptake of the vaccine. Information related to the vaccines in the vaccination centers is actually put on posters so that within the community, so that people can read, and also they can use the loud hailer to conscientize community members.